Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me tap on it and of course make sure that we've got the internet connection. Now we can tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got, I would say, basic options like browsing history, tabs or cookies, cache and other site data. Of course you can remove only those. You can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, all time or last 4 weeks, up to you totally, and tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and as you can see here we've got those, so the saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. What's more, we can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time. Just tap on it and tap on delete data. And we just got back, and we can of course enter the history here to check, and the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.